you. Yes. See you later. Anyone else want to get off? This letter does. Touch it. Oops, touch. It's purple.
I don't know to touch the bead.
You did it. See you later. Anyone else want to get off? This letter does. Touch it. Yes. Cool. Who is it? Next stop. Anyone? This letter dies.
H.
Touch it.
No.
Perfect. See you later. Anyone else want to get off? Anyone? Next stop. Anyone want to get off? This letter dies. F. Touch it. F. Perfect. See you later. Anyone else? Hop on. Hi, friend. I say it. Hi, friend. The letters get on the bus. The letters get on the bus. All around, all over town. The letters get on the bus. Touch a letter. Animal. Meow. Touch a letter.
A. Alligator. Chomp.
I can't.
E. A. Alligator. Chomp.
Bumblebee. Ooh, C. Cat. Meow. D. Dog. Woof, woof.
E. Elephant. F. Fish.
G. Goat.
H. Hippo. Honk. I. Iguana. J. Jellyfish. K. Kangaroo. L. Lion. Roar.
M. Monkey. N. Newt.
O. Octopus.
P. Penguin.
Q. Quail.
R. Rabbit. S.
Seal. Or T. Turkey.
U. Umbrella bird.
V. Vulture. W. Whale.
X-ray fish.
Y.
Z. Zebra. Next stop. Anyone want to get off? This letter does.
I
You.
found a
Touch it.
toy.
Where's it go?
Music. A little puppy had a bus. E-I-E-I-O. On his bus were all his friends. Which one do you know? Touch a letter. You. Umbrella bird.
L. Lion.
G. write a letter.
V.
Say,
V.